Hi, Vieira with StockMarketLive.tv. Today we are going to discuss this investment opportunity in GAP. In fact, it is a continuation of the investment process which I've been describing here in detail in Live Markets Premium Platinum version. How to invest in GAP. So when I downgraded GAP to a strong sell and thereafter to junk, I said that GAP, and it was made available to you as an investor at $38. I said that you had the opportunity to double or triple the size of your short positions when shares they bounced to $30 ahead of earnings. So we published here a GAP earnings call. We went short GAP through earnings, and we reiterated strong sell rating by recommending to double or triple the size of short positions, where also we mentioned a price target, very specific, very precise, $18. No one believed, I would say, out there, except our investors and customers, that GAP would crash to $18. And in fact, shares, they crashed to a price below $18. So our vision, our prediction was made available in live, and when shares, they traded below $18, we announced that we were closing short positions entirely 100% in GAP, upgrading shares and assuming a long position. This is precisely what you have here on the chart. That call was made available to you at $17.60, therefore below our price target $18. Today, GAP is a stock trading already at $20.30. Okay, so it closed the session higher, and therefore it was, again, we proved that by closing entirely the short position at $17.60, reversing to the long side, we proved that we are, or we continue maximizing the return on investment in GAP. So our view is precisely the opposite of most investors worldwide. That is to say, when everyone was bullish GAP, we had a strong sell rating saying that shares, they were going to crash. When Wall Street analysts, they downgraded shares to sell, in particular Americans selling the most in the past decade, below $18, we upgraded shares of GAP, recommended to close entirely the short position, and today we have a long position in GAP, and we are very happy since we already have a profit on the long side. So this is the investment plan. Going forward, you don't have any reason to let a profit turn into a loss, since you already have a profit on the long side, and it is up to you to manage your investment position in GAP going forward and continue following the real-time guidance. Bear in mind that with regards to the future price of GAP, this will depend pretty much what the company has to say, market conditions. Obviously, they will have to beat or to announce better earnings compared to the past. But the fact, I repeat, is that the most important to close entirely the short position GAP at $17.60 when everyone was selling shares at a climax, in my opinion, on the sell side, using that opportunity, the weakness, to close the short position and then reverse into the long side. But this reverse into the long side, it was only made available according to our investment methodology to investors who followed my guidance here for the past years investing in GAP. That is to say, you only buy shares at $17.60 if you profited from the crash, since this is according to our investment methodology. Okay? If you didn't profit from the crash, I don't see any reason for you to buy shares of GAP, since you refused or you neglected the most important investment plan, that was precisely to profit from the crash and only then reverse into long side, because then you had no risk whatsoever by doing so when the Americans, they were selling shares. Thank you. Bye. And good luck.